So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Uniswap, ticker symbol UNI, in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple account, make sure to go into your cryptocurrency account. Then once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then when you're in this screen, simply just scroll down to where it says trending categories, and then where it says crypto, just press on that right there. Then once you're on this screen, simply just scroll down until you come across ticker symbol UNI or Uniswap, which is right here with this purple or with this pink logo with the unicorn. Press on Uniswap right here. Then to purchase this investment, go to buy at the bottom left. On this screen, type in as much money as you want to invest into this crypto. So if, for this example, just type in $1, I will then press on continue. Simply to just confirm your order, simply just press on confirm order at the bottom, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Uniswap, ticker symbol UNI in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.